Sajid, your experience and all what all you learned and all those things, how you will be utilizing it.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a very good experience. It's a very thorough and detailed explanation on cloud side of the things, and it gives me a pathway and a gateway getting into cloud side of the things in my day-to-day work, and planning to finish these certifications and go to the next level, and hopefully it will be used in my workplace or probably changing my career towards it. So,
Yeah.
and I appreciate your time and detailed explanations, and hopefully going through the practice exams and completing the certification very soon. And I appreciate you letting us know your availability even after the course. So that probably will help me.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Ajit. Yeah.
It was good. Actually, yeah. One thing is, the topics was really, wide, but I was able to grasp whatever I required, like cognitive and all those things was really helpful for me because I've already started working on it, so that helped me a whole lot.
Oh, good.
But yeah, there's too much to learn. So,
yeah, definitely. AWS is something where you need to learn too much. Yeah, Aswini.
Yeah, Arvind, actually, yeah, I'm not implementing AWS in my current role, but my idea was is to take the practitioner exam. So the substance that you provided was extremely helpful. I haven't got a chance to look at every slide, but I'm going from the very first slide, and from what I have read and what I'm learning so far, I think the slides were very, very helpful. They're very helpful. And also the explanation that you provided in every class for every slide, especially the use cases. So that also explains how you apply each of those resource, the cloud, whatever the entire architecture, how do you apply to your day-to-day usage. So that was very helpful, the sessions that you gave. And I think the quizzes will also be pretty helpful that you guys have provided. Overall, I think it was a great experience. I have no exposure to AWS, so I'm completely new. And even with that, I was able to understand a lot from your sessions. So thank you so much for that. Also, I do appreciate the availability that you said you will have even after the sessions are done. So while I'm reading these slides all over again, if I have any questions, then I will certainly touch base with you.
Yeah, sure.
But thank you for everything.
Thanks, Aswini. Bart, how about your experience and your overall learning?
Yeah, overall it's really good. Your slides explained a couple things that I've come across that I wasn't really sure what the definitions were, so that explained quite a few things for me. And we're just now starting to put more and more stuff into AWS, so this is going to be helpful for me going forward. So no, thank you. It was good.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Bart. Priyanka.
Actually, it was a very good experience for me, and I am actually not working on AWS at present, but my goal was to actually go into that platform and start learning, and actually it was a very good experience, and you you provided a very detailed overview of cloud concepts, AWS services, security, architecture, pricing, and support. And I will be continuing the practices, and I will surely try to finish the AWS certification.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah, good to know. Yeah, sure. Thanks, Priyanka. All the best.
Thanks.
Madhukar.
Yeah, Arvind. Yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate your time and patience, man. Yeah, it was good introduction to the AWS. Yeah, thank you very much. We'll go through the material and yeah, keep in touch. And one quick question, like, what are the plans for any advanced certifications? Do we have any plans on this one, or is it just
Yeah. We will be planning for advanced training, like for solution architect. But
Mhm.
now that's what. So uh, if you people are comfortable with AWS practitioner, and if you want to go for certification for AWS cloud practitioner, that's good. Or like if you want to go for advanced training, and you want to go directly for solution architect, that is another option. So yeah, we will be planning for next training in so Chandresh will send the communication on solution architect training. So very soon we will be arranging a batch for that, but that will be
and
field level.
yeah, yeah, and thank you very much. And solution architect, is it definitely it would be probably, I believe that this would be the basics for that, and build on this one. But is it like much would need to get very much comfortable with this one, or
Yeah,
should that be okay?
yeah, that's correct actually. So being a solution architect means you should be having at least minimum 6 months working experience in the cloud. That although it is not official requirement, sorry, it's not 6 months. It's officially it's 1 month. Sorry, 1 year. So
Okay.
1 year they used to suggest like you should at least work for 1 year in cloud environment. Along with that, solution architect training, because working is one thing, but training will help you to prepare for the exam. So in our courses, basically, the solution architect course is very popular course, and we used to help in systematic preparation, so that the candidate will be passing it in a single attempt itself.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for the question. Sandhya.
Yes, Arvind. So I have limited exposure to Azure at work. So as many of them mentioned, like AWS is completely new for me, and especially with the concepts, the way you explain and those details. I'm sure, the cloud, all cloud technologies use the same, the concepts, but the terms could vary. So that definitely helps us, like, equipped for other environments too. And with AWS and your lessons and all the use cases, and it was very helpful, very detailed. And yes, if you ask me, like, on top of my head, I just have to, like, I don't have everything there, but I need to revise, and I plan to do my certification as well. So thanks for all your time and effort. And yes, appreciate all what you've done. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Sandhya. And you said rightly, like it is whatever cloud, like it could be Azure, AWS, or any other cloud platform, but the base concepts of cloud platforms are same. So, like initial few sessions, what we learned about basics of clouds and all, those will be remain same, and the methods could be different. So, like even if you will see the services, so the similar services will be available in uh, Azure or other platform, and the concept will be same. Maybe the name may be different. Like in AWS, you may say EC2, and then in your Azure, you may say some other name. But the concept and the base concept will be same, and even from the use cases and configuration point of view also, it will be quite much similar. Yeah. Good. So all the best, Sandhya. Thanks for your.
Thank you.
So Madhvi.
Yeah, I think the class is really, really very good, because I'm very not even new. I don't have any knowledge about cloud, and so it was really a good exposure for me to learn about all the concepts of cloud And I really liked the way you presented each thing one step at a time, and also you gave a walkthrough or demo of how to go about doing those steps. And like you made sure we were also doing, so that way like we not only learned the concepts but also had a practically doing those things that the services that you want us to practice and do. That was really helpful for me. And of course you mentioned all the use cases where we could use it, so that really helps us to define where we can use what kind of services that we need. And I'm hoping that probably in coming soon, I'll be working on the cloud technology, because that's what I want to pursue. So it was a really good experience, and you really did a good job of explaining any kind of doubts we had. So it was really good for me.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Mansi.